And here we have Thomas and Friends Journey Beyond Sodor. The movie. This is a sticker activity book. Stickers and activities. Join Thomas and his friends as they go on a journey beyond Sodor. So anyway, as we open this up, we'll get some story to the book as well. But like right here, misses a signal, danger signal, crashes. See the difference between the two pictures. So this book has already kind of been used by my son. We've got stickers being used right here. But this is kind of the basics of it. He had to add some puzzle piece stickers right here. Spot the differences. You've got a track, Machine Masters. You can draw and color. So lots of great activities to do. And here are some of the stickers. So some of those puzzle stickers were used. We've got Journey Beyond Sodor stickers. We've got all the characters. Frankie, Hurricane, James, Lexi, Theo. Other stickers that you can use in the book as well as other places on your notebooks and things for school. Draw and you can color Frankie. Trap Thomas, another Percy puzzle. Merlin Magic. Engine Escape. Crane Crisis, another spot the difference between the two pictures. Got the cog wheels stickers. And it looks like right here in the back, these are cutout pieces that are kind of like little mini posters that you can hang up in your room as well. So that's kind of fun to do. And that is the end, has the answers in the back. So that is an activity book for Thomas and Friends.